Honor Choice watch recently launched in India, and we quickly going to be unboxing and show you the first look of this smartphone. So this is a smart variable from Honor, and this is how the watch looks like. What do we have in the box? Well, let's just quickly tell you what do we have in the box. We'll quickly see and then move on to see what the watch has to offer. So these are some manuals that you get, which apparently nobody reads, but yes, safety information is important. And we also have a charging cable. So here's the charging cable for the watch. This is what you get. So this is what you get in the box, like we are showing you. Now let's just see how the watch wears. As you can see, it says 1.95 inches of AMOLED ultra thin display. This is how the watch looks like, and a big dial here that you see, and the bezels are quite less. And talking about other features, we'll quickly tell you. It have a silicon strap here that you can see. This is white in color, and also there's a matte finished buckle that you have for the watch, and this is how it faces. Like we told you, it's 1.95 inches AMOLED ultra thin display. It has an ultra long battery life, 5 ATM water resistant. It has a built-in multi-system GNSS, and it has Bluetooth calling as well. Yes, you can actually make and receive calls on this smartwatch. Let's just quickly wear the watch and see how it looks. So these are the quick details about the watch. Okay, so that's how the watch is going to look in my hand. You have the details.